Hey everyone, I'm Basant from Smart Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to map a network drive like Google Drive or Dropbox, or you have OneDrive, how to map those drive into your Windows PC. At this point, I haven't found any solution for the Mac unless you download a couple of different softwares there is SME storage made easy plugin, extra plugin, but for that you need to pay for the software. But you can do the same thing on Windows without paying anything, and with the free version, free subscription. So let's look at this thing first, and then we'll show you how to map it into the Windows drive. For that I need to go back to Chrome. This is storagemadeeasy.com, and it provides a platform where you can connect all different kind of cloud provider together. So once you map this SME, I'll call it as a SME for the short, storage made easy. Once you couple all the cloud provider together on the SME, and then you can map that SME into the Windows drive. Before we start, you have to sign up for the free account. They have free option for up to 3 providers. You can link one Google account, one Dropbox, one OneDrive, or you can have 3 Google Drives bundled together. At least you can get up to 3 accounts, anything mix and match. And there are so many other options on top of Google Drive, Dropbox, and OneDrive, of course. I'll show you all the options scrolling through. And once you sign up for their service, free account, choose free account unless you need more than 3 providers. If you need more than 3 providers, you may have to buy per month or per year subscription. But if you are individual user and just need couple of provider mounted onto your drive, then it should be enough. And once you sign up and log into the account on storagemadeeasy.com, this is HTTPS site, secured site. So you'll get this page. This is the home page, and from there you can access file manager online. You can access the portal where you can add all these clouds, and you can download the cloud app for the desktop usage if you want to, but it's not necessary. And if you are a business user, there may be different kind of groups and features depending on your subscription. And you can manage the already imported kind of linked providers, cloud providers, and you can also import the files. And also note that this Storage Made Easy also provides their own version of the cloud storage. If you think it's a good idea to buy it, go ahead and buy it, but you don't need to buy it if you are using just Google Drive or Dropbox. So with that said, let me go to the add cloud provider, and there you go. I have 2 accounts already connected here, and since I clicked on the link to add cloud provider, it automatically pop up. For now I'll just cut it down and close that off and scroll through all these options. I have Google Drive, I have Dropbox, and SME is like software storage made easy. It's the default. They give few gigabytes or megabytes, I don't remember. I have to go to the setting and to see. And you don't even need that because you'll be using Google Drive and Dropbox, those things. It allows up to 3 provider for free. Yeah, like you see here, right? I have 2 providers already connected, and you can add 1 more provider, and I'm on the free subscription. So this shows the SME storage made SME storage S3 plus any 3 cloud. So this is SME storage S3 is basically this guy up here. This is out of the box, it comes by default. You can set that as a primary by default. This is as a primary. You can set any other drive as a primary, so that when you upload something, it you can specify folder, but if you upload without specifying folder, it will directly write into that location if you set the primary. So that's one thing. And there are many other options like turn on and off kind of email feature, real-time refresh, folder auto refresh, those kind of feature. Do what you required, and you may not require real-time refresh, but you may need to require folder auto refresh, depending on, and auto refresh time is 24 hours, so you can set that to different hours or minutes, but depending on your choice, everyone's choice. And there are extended options, and pretty much you can leave it by default. Whatever is there is as a default, you don't need to change it usually, but if you feel like you need to change, then you can make a change. And this apply for each of the things, like each provider you can have different settings, and by going to the connection property and all that over here, see. And let me go back and try to add another provider. This is one Google Drive, and I have one Dropbox. Now I'll add another Google Drive. You can add OneDrive and so many more. These are all the list that are supported. You can add any of the cloud drive from there, anything listed here. Okay, Salesforce, SafeSync, Amazon S3, CMIS. I don't even know some of those. CloudMe, IBM Clouds, Google Storage, and Google Drive. That's what I'm going to select now because I'm using another Google Drive. So I do add provider. It will ask few steps. For the first time, it will have couple of steps. It will ask for the permission to access Google Drive. I acknowledge and yes, authorize. Then it asks to redirect, and then you just have to log in with the one that you want to link. Now I provided the access and everything. Now it should pop up there, and please wait while. There you go, and it opens up the connection setting property page. Over here, if you see, this is for the specific account, Google Drive account, and this delete option is only available if you if this is not the primary storage. If you set this one as a primary storage, you won't be able to delete this provider. So I'll show you that once again. Let me, yeah, if you see here, now there are 2 Google Drive and 1 Dropbox. Now I can sync it, and these are the setting for it's going back and forth. These are the setting for the primary. All these I can actually I cannot delete this SME because it's out of the box, but anything that I added and that does not have tick mark here, that means it's not primary, then I can delete if need. But if it's primary, then I cannot delete. There is no delete option here. Even if you open it on the property page, it won't have option. That's all you need to know about how to connect and all that. And you can access the file manager from right from the menu or from the home option using launch online file manager. that's Cloud File Manager. This is Cloud File Manager for my different accounts. Right now the other one is still syncing, that's why it's not showing. It may take few minutes to set up initially. And this one Google, oh, it's already there. It already came here. See, this is second Google Drive and first Google Drive and the Dropbox. So I have everything here. If I go, it will show all the Google Drive folders and files up here. You can access these via cloud. It's always good to have all these storage together, but the best part of this is when you are able to mount it on your desktop, right? For that, if you want to mount it on the MacBook, you need to pay for the subscription. The free version doesn't allow you to download the SME tool. There is one SME storage made easy cloud tool for the Mac. It doesn't allow you to download if you are on free account. If you are on prime paid account, then it will allow you to download. After that, you can add into the finders on MacBook, but I don't have that premium account, so I cannot show you on the MacBook, and I can show you on the Windows. You don't need to have any subscription. So with that said, this is pretty much it is on the online accounts. Now let me go to my Windows, and this is my remote portal. One second, let me connect to that. My PC is about to remind me later. Okay, I did the Windows update, so now let me show you the how to mount that drive. Okay. This is my Windows machine. I remote onto the Windows. So this, if you see here, this is webdev.storagemadeeasy.com, and you just have to provide that URL with HTTPS, of course, and from there, and if I can just for now, it says it's not able to sometimes, but now it's connected. So you saw that these three two Google Drive and one Dropbox that you just saw on the Cloud Manager, you can access all of them from the Windows Drive without going to the browser. So that's cool, and you can just use the Windows copy paste, file copy paste from here and there, from one folder to another existing folder. So that's pretty cool. You can give some drive that you notice, so that copying via command line is also easy. So how do you map this? First of all, you need to map, right? I already mapped it, so it's easy. First of all, right click on PC, then you see the map network drive, or once you are on PC, up here and there, open up the view from here. You can just type in Alt on the keyboard also, and then you should see somewhere map network drive. It's very small for me. It will have up in the computer section there is map network drive, and then access media. Those kinds of options are there. Use map network drive option. From there, click on that, and then just provide that URL, https://webdev.storagemadeeasy.com. That's all, and then connect using do not check this one, because you need to use the same username password all the time, because you won't be using different credential every time. So check the first box, but do not check on the second, so that it will save your username and password. So after that, once you connected, you can just access like a regular folder. That's all you need to connect, need to map like that. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and share my channel and videos, like my Facebook page, and don't forget to click on the bell icon next to subscribe button to get notified of my future videos. If you haven't watched my previous videos, go ahead and watch. Feel free to comment if you like to know something or have feedback for me. Until next video, have a good time. Bye bye.